Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the software in Linux using Snapcraft. Go to Snapcraft software installation page. The link I have provided in the description. Scroll down to the page, you can see the code to install the Snapcraft. We have two steps to do this. 1. Install Snapped. 2. Install Snapcraft. Let's see how to do that. For the root permission, type sudo I, then press enter. Then type apt install snapped. If any error shown, update the repository using apt update. Now give the permission to continue installation. Wait till the installation completes. Now the Snapped successfully installed. Now let's install the Snapcraft. Now we can make use of the snap command. Type snap install snapcraft -- classic. Wait till the download completes. Now the Snapcraft is successfully installed. Go to Snapcraft website and see the available software to install. Just type the software name and press enter. I'm trying the Sublime Text for example. Here Sublime Text is available. So click the software. You can see the versions of the software by pressing the drop-down button. You can see the software is 64-bit. So you need a 64-bit operating system. So to check that, for identifying the version you are using, click on the settings icon, then press details. You can see the operating system type that you are using. Click on install, and copy the commands, and paste it to the terminal. And wait till the download completes. You can see that the Sublime Text installed successfully. Now go to Ubuntu search and type Sublime Text. You can see the icon. The software is successfully installed. Let's test the application. Yes, the application works perfectly. For more software downloads, go to Snapcraft store and see the list of software available. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.